Hi, it's Sharon, and I am going to show you the rest of my Advent calendar that I mentioned in my Sunday home reset video. Hope you enjoy. Like I said, this is a bonus video. Hi, yes, I'm going to show you the rest of my Advent calendar stuff that I got. I'm pretty sure I've got it all together. I had to take some of it to Cranbrook because we went down before Christmas. But anyhow, first I want to show you, I did this little stencil thing. It's mushrooms. Hopefully you can see it good. And I did that on my Cricut. I really like it. I'll probably put it on my t-shirt. So anyhow, I got my water, my coffee, and so now I'm going to show you some stuff that came in the rest of my Advent calendar. I did a video already with the Advent calendar goodies. So first of all, I'm going to start with this. I got some more little pots to transplant my starters in. I got this really nice pumpkin tea towel. That'll be great to put out in the fall when we're doing the harvesting from the garden. And I got some crisp French carrots, and they grow long apparently, so that should be nice. I got my sweet peas, my favorite, one of my favorite flowers. I know I always say they're all my favorites. And I got some Swiss chard. In case you're just new here, my daughter and I do an Advent calendar for each other every year. And this year I chose gardening. So she bought me a lot of stuff to start my garden. I've never done a vegetable garden, or not much vegetables. So this year I'm going to give it a go. And she got me some radishes. And these are French breakfast radishes. So those are lovely seeds. And I showed this in my first one. She got me this book to put them all in. So I'm going to sit and do that once we do this video. So I showed you those seeds. Okay, and this is a decoration for the tree, which I thought was really cute. And this is a little fox. I think he's a sweetie pie. So those can be for my fairy gardens or just to decorate my bench outside. And I got some dark leaf lettuce, red salad bowl it's called. Sounds good. It's going to be fun trying these out and trying recipes with them, because that's something I don't do very often, is cook. My husband cooks. If you've been with me, you know that. Anyhow, this is spinach, and we both love spinach. Lots of things you can cook with spinach. And in one of the parcels, I got this really sweet wooden bird, which I know I'm going to enjoy putting out as decor. I just love it. I might even put it on my bench. I'll lacquer it up first so I can put it outside on my gardening bench. I'm excited about my gardening bench. It was new last year. And then I got some foxgloves. And I love these plants. They're just so pretty, and they grow fairly tall. So I'm going to have fun fixing up my fairy garden as well. And then she bought me some teddy bear sunflowers. She grew these one year, and they're really, really cute. So I'm excited about trying these. I have picked out a spot for those. So that'll be good. And then I got some jewel tone beets. So there's red, gold, and candy striped. So we'll see how those go. I love beets. I love the beet greens. So does my husband. So we'll have fun growing those and harvesting them. This is a decoration, and it is raku, and it is beautiful. It's a pine cone, and the artist is Judy Walker. She lives in Cranbrook, British Columbia. Anyhow, I always love her work. So, if you want to see the other part of my advent calendar, I can link it down below and you can have a look at the whole calendar if you like. Okay, something else I got, not for advent calendar, but I got it for Christmas, is a calendar. I have a special hanger in my kitchen. I've had it for many years, probably a good 40 years, if not more. Or yeah, it could be less, I don't know. Anyhow, this is my 2026 calendar and it is lovely. I got this from my son for Christmas. Okay, I just realized I missed the January page. So I'm just videoing it here and we'll just stick it right in the video. And let's just hope you guys can see these pages okay. I'm just going to do a quick flip through. There's January. It's got some cardinals. There's March. It's got spring flowers and robins. April, a cute bunny. May, sweet birds and lots of flowers and a cute kitty. A couple more birds for June and lots of beautiful flowers. Hopefully my garden looks like this. And here's July and they're harvesting some stuff. And August, we got our bluebirds and a cute little house and barn sitting on a fence. September, getting into the fall. And the year does go by about this fast too when you get to be my age. And here's our October with the pumpkins and the little chickadees. This is such a pretty, pretty calendar. I love showing my calendars in my videos. And there's a grateful harvest. So that's November and we're harvesting all kinds of things. And December, we have a beautiful calendar with a Christmas theme, a wreath and some cardinals. And that's a beautiful calendar. And this is the lady who made this calendar or did the pictures, Susan Wingett. And she paints all of these and they make them into calendars and it's absolutely beautiful. She's from North Carolina and she says all these pictures she was inspired to paint there. And she has a fine arts degree from the University of Northern Carolina at Capitol Hill. And her studio is the Farmhouse Studio. So, this is her calendar called Heart and Home. And on the back of the package, it shows you all the pictures. So I'm just going to stick that in there until January 1st. Well, by the time you see this, it will be January 1st, so it'll be in my calendar. Okay, so this is just some of the stuff that I got for Christmas. And the outfit I have on is very light t-shirt. It's a raspberry color and it has pants to match. And I really like these little outfits. I got 3 of them. A dark blue, this is raspberry, and the other one is red. Okay, So, thank you very much for watching this video, and we'll see you in my next video, which will be, who knows, I'll have to do a voiceover.
Well, instead of a voiceover, well, this is also a voiceover. Anyhow, I videoed myself putting all my seeds in my little booklet. And I just thought it would be fun to show you this. Anyhow, thanks again for watching my video. I really, really do appreciate you all. If you're new here, please subscribe. And I'd love it if you gave me a thumbs up, anyone who's watching, and left me a comment so I know where you're from. Thanks again for watching, and I sure hope you enjoyed this video. I really, really, really do appreciate anyone who watches my video. Thank you again.
Bye.